Hey guys, welcome to another video brought to you by Total Control Traders. Wanted to take this chance to show you guys my trading setup. As recently one of my monitors went out and had to replace it, so good chance to show you guys what the difference of before and after look like. Before this, I had two of these ones, 27-inch Samsung, and link will be down below. And because one of these went out, well, I had two of these 27-inch as well as one 24-inch that was sitting over here with this laptop over there before. Now with one of the 27s went out, I had decided to replace it with this 49-inch Samsung as well. Description is down below. Now the trading station looks like this. And that pillow is for when during a long day, put the pillow under the elbow so that elbow doesn't get sore at the end of the day. But this is the trading station. If this monitor dies, eventually, this other 27-inch one, if this one dies, we'll likely move this 49-inch to the middle and maybe add another 34 or 49 on top. Haven't decided yet. I'm thinking 249s might be a bit too much, so might just add a 34 up there. But that's probably a few years down the road. Comparing to the trading stations I had before, the first trading station I had was simply this laptop, and Asus, along with, didn't have this screen before, but instead had one of these, this Acer monitor. And with this video being a budget video, what I wanted to bring up was what got me started. This laptop cost about $1,000 and the monitor was basically Kijiji for like 50 bucks. Okay, then from there upgraded to a secondhand computer. This one was secondhand for about $800 with NVIDIA 2070, main thing that I was looking for. Then that also came with the speakers, the keyboard, as well as one monitor, which is the HP one that I came with. And in between that, I had purchased two of these Samsung monitors for $200, meaning $100 for each. So overall, it's just sort of like a slow upgrade as things go out or as necessities arise. Because at first with a laptop and one single 24-inch, slowly it became not enough screen real estate. So then upgraded to two 27 inches. And now that one of the 27-inch has died, good time to upgrade into the 49. And here is my daily morning read. Basically just some rules I go by, things to do, things not to do. And all the wall arts are made by my fiance. So hand painted, failure, patience. Eventually probably the next thing to replace, two things. First is, for those of you that may have noticed, the chair is quite used. You know, sitting here 10 hours a day for 6 days a week, it wears out quite quickly. Then probably the drawers, that's not really a necessity to me right now. But the one thing I'm looking to replace next is this one. I would I think it'll go better if it says patience and persistence. All of these were handmade by my fiance. As you can see, the clock is one and only. From here it sort of looks matching, but every single angle on this clock is different. This shows a little bit clearer, different angles. And these are, well, except for the one piece figurine, these were made by her as well, hand painted. Really like this one. Walking into the office, seeing it, basically serves as a reminder, if you don't take the trade, you don't get the chance. Calming picture, still deciding where to hang that one up. And patience, as the channel says, patience pays. That's the simplicity of my setup. Budget setup, if you're looking to start, first, you don't have to get a laptop. That would help with mobility wise, especially if you're traveling quite a bit. Get a decent laptop with decent drive, and the one thing to make sure that it has a capability of is hooking up 2 additional monitors to it. So with this particular Asus, it comes with 1 mini HDMI and then 1 USB-C. So with that, you will need a converter from USB-C to HDMI. That will allow you to hook up 2 additional monitors. But if you decide to go with a desktop, that's fine too. Get a couple monitors, doesn't have to be big. Start with 2, maybe 24 inches if you can find a good deal on it. If you can find 2 27 inches with a good deal, even better. Don't need to go crazy on monitors. Having more screen real estate, especially if you're just starting, does not make you a better trader. In fact, just end up causing more of a distraction for you. My recommendation is start with 2 relatively medium-sized monitor, 27 probably the max, or even 1 single 34-inch. Then from there, as you find your need or things break down, slowly upgrade. The budget setup for me, in total, basically was just this laptop. Had a monitor already, had a mouse, had a keyboard, so that was $1,000. It can be a lot cheaper if you decide to go with desktop instead of a laptop that was near the top of the line at that time. So if you're gonna go with desktop, something similar to mine, secondhand, run you about $700. Monitors don't cost too much, $50. In under $1,000, you can have a decent trading set for a startup. As for upgrade afterwards, depending on your need, maybe first one to upgrade, likely a monitor. That's it for this video. Budget setup for beginner traders. What you need and what cost you should be looking at. Alright, hope you enjoy the content. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're looking to get out of debt or build that first pot of gold, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button so you can get updates on our new videos. Also, check out our website at totalcontroltraders.com. Stay safe and be in control. I will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, guys.